everyone, and welcome to Psychology Shade. Today we're going to learn about 9 psychological tricks to immediately make people like you more. Now let's begin. Number 1. Keep a smiling face. When you smile, people feel positive when interacting with you. Research found that smiling while meeting someone for the first time helps them remember you later. Spend more time around people you are hoping to befriend. People like other people they are familiar with. According to mere exposure effect, show a stronger attachment for someone they had seen more frequently. Make an effort to express good sentiments. When people's moods are greatly influenced by the moods of others, this is known as emotional contagion. If you want to make others feel happy when they are around, do your best to communicate positive emotion. Be friendly and informative. According to psychologists, people will trust you if you can depict yourself as friendly, that is, non-competitive and kind. They are more likely to respect you if you appear competent, such as if you have a high income or educational level. Number 5. Admit you like them. When we think someone like us, we tend to like them as well. So even if you are not sure how a person you are interacting with feels about you, act like you like them and they will probably like you back. Number 6. Give compliments to others. People will identify you with those qualities if you characterize someone else as genuine and kind. The opposite is also true. If you frequently criticize others behind their back, your friends will begin to identify your negative characteristics with you. Number 7. Sometimes reveal your flaws. After you make a mistake, people will like you more, but only if they believe you are capable. When you admit that you aren't flawless, you become more relatable and vulnerable to those around you. Number 8. Imitate the persons you are with. Mirroring is a tactic that involves carefully mimicking another person's behavior. Try to imitate someone's body language, gestures, and facial emotions when speaking with them. Liking is enhanced by this mimicry. Number 9. Touch them casually. Tapping someone's back or patting their arm are common examples that can make them feel more kindly towards you.